Hello and welcome to Business 360. I'm Shireen Bhan. The headlines we're tracking for you this evening. Adani Group swings into damage control as stocks remain under pressure. Promoters to prepay loans worth 8,000 crore rupees to release some pledged shares of Adani Ports, Adani Greens and Adani Transmission. Renowned valuation expert Professor Ashwath Damodaran pegs the fair value of Adani Enterprises at 945 rupees a share, which implies a potential 40% decline from the current market value. Parliament remains paralysed as opposition parties demand a discussion on the Hindenburg report, raising red flags on the Adani Group. Congress launches All India protests as workers demonstrate outside the offices of SBI and LIC. The government opposes Hindustan Zinc's buyout of Zinc International's assets for nearly $3 billion. Government sources say Vedanta's decision violates minority shareholder rights and corporate governance norms. Government owns more than 29% stake in Hindustan Zinc. That's an exclusive. Vodafone Idea shares rally after the government becomes the single largest shareholder in the company with a 33% stake. Street believes the move is a near-term positive for Vodafone Idea, but long-term issues remain. Bank of America says the company needs capital infusion of at least $6 to $8 billion to remain competitive. SEBI directs designated depository participants to ask foreign portfolio investors to update beneficial owner details by the 30th of September. SEBI says that FPIs who fail to update will become ineligible and will have to sell their holdings by the 31st of March next year. Aircraft manufacturing giant Boeing is betting big on India's component ecosystem as global supply chain issues linger. President of Boeing's International, Brendan Nelson, tells CNBC-TV18 the company is exploring more opportunities for joint ventures here, reveals that there are some big announcements lined up at the Aero India show. Boeing exports from India stood at $1 billion. A major earthquake of 7.8 magnitude kills over 1,000 people in Turkey and Syria. Many more feared dead, thousands injured, hundreds still believed to be trapped under rubble as rescue workers search mounds of wreckage. Tensions rise between US and China after US fighter jets were used to shoot down a Chinese balloon that had strayed into US territory. China says a balloon over Latin America was also blown off course. American music legend Beyoncé creates history for most career wins at the Grammys as she receives 4 awards for her album Renaissance. A proud moment for India too, as music composer Ricky Cage wins his 3rd Grammy for the best immersive audio album, Divine Tides. Well, first up, the day's market action. The Wall Street ending largely lower today.